back to my channel, and for today's video I will be doing unboxing again, and this one it's gonna be mixed for my husband and for me. So I thought I would share the unboxing with you. And a lot of these items actually I got it for free, and I will tell you which one I got for free. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. The first thing we're gonna unbox is the shoes that my husband ordered online because he wanted to use this shoes tonight. We're about to go outside. So try not to show because the front of this package, it has the our address, so I want to make sure that we don't show confidential. And this is the shoes that my husband ordered for himself. The reason why he watched a video online, I think Facebook or YouTube. There's a guy that was doing a vlog or a video content about the shoes that this was supposed to be almost got banned for a marathon or running shoes because it is super light, and I guess it's almost got banned. And my husband ordered one for himself. Reason why he needed a new shoes. He has been doing cardio, that's why he was able to lose about 56 pounds. And he needed more like a good running, walking shoes. My husband was interested on this, so he checked it out and he ordered a pair for himself. It's actually a cool looking shoes because look at the back. Like, it's not your typical shoes that it's just a plain round here. But here you can see that it got pointy here at the back heel. That's kind of unique. I never seen that before on a shoe design. And that, I'm telling you, it's super light. It's not even like half pound. Like, it's super light. It's almost like you're not wearing anything. If you know what I mean. Like, if you're gonna wear this, it's even way lighter that I took this paper out. So that's how light this shoes is. I'm gonna try to put it on the screen, maybe a description about these shoes, that way maybe you can read it better and that will explain better about the shoes. But I kind of like it. Nike is not my best friend because I have a wide feet, high arch, so it seems like for me Nike is a little bit tricky when I buy a Nike shoes. So I think this one, my husband have a narrow feet, so I think it's gonna be perfect for him. And he only ordered one, so hopefully this one will fit him perfectly. And this is a size 10. Normally he wears size 10, but Nike tend to run small. We'll see if this gonna fit him. But this is a kind of unique shoes because even on the lace right here, you can see that it's a little bit crooked. Like it's kind of went to the side instead of a straight down. If you know what I mean. Like, you see how it's kind of crooked. If for me, that might bother me because I'm kind of have like a little bit of OCD. It needs to line up. I don't know if that would bother me, but it's not my shoes. So this is so my husband's new pair running or walking shoes, and he's waiting to try this on. I will show you how the shoes fits on my husband. Ooh. Ooh. It's nice, isn't it?
One eternity later.
Let's move on to the next package. And this one, I ordered them all together, but it got shipped to our address or our house separate. So this one I got it from Belk, and it's a t-shirt from 𝐮𝐲, and I got it for free. It's $29.50 original price, and I got it for free. and I will tell you how I got it for free in a minute. And then let's go to the next package. And this one, I got it also free. And since school is about to start, I order a Lilly Pulitzer planner. And usually I will buy a planner every semester, every fall semester. I buy a new planner for school. This is more expensive. Like the big one of this is like $30. But you know, if you're familiar with this brand, they tend to be more on the higher price, especially their clothing. This one is the original price $26, and this one I got it for free. And there's another item that I got for free because this is only $26 and the other I'm pretty sure is less than $10. And then one of the package here, the t-shirt or the top, is free that I got, and then the other two I didn't get it for free. I have to pay for it. But anyway, this is a planner that I'm about to use for fall semester and spring semester, because this one is starting August 2022 throughout December 2023. So that's pretty good. And yeah, I love this. Usually there's another one that wider, the same height but wider, but I thought that one is a little bit it take up too much room on my school bag, so I wanted to try out this a little bit slimmer, which is $4 cheaper than the wide one. So I'm excited about that, and let me show you why I like this planner. So it has a free sticker right here, 2-page of sticker right here. And then I love pink, and I always love that they're like a happy colors. I call it a happy colors because they really are a happy colors. But yeah, they have a sticker, and then they have like a envelope packet right here. And then you have that goals, let's see, the goals here. And then you have your escape plan, which is your travel plan. And then you have the phone addresses, have notes. So this is really nice. I really highly recommend this because it will really keep you organized, and this is very helpful as well. The notes is quite a lot, so that helps. I'm just showing you what it is. And then you have the monthly calendar, and then you have your daily. You have monthly and daily. So it's a really nice planner. And look, it's just a really fun planner. Beautiful colors, flower, and I thought it was cute. Like, and $26 is not that bad, but it's even better that I got it for free. And it's a gold glitter here for a gold, the elastic band. And then you have the gold ring right here. Let's move on to the next package. This one is quite big. Clothes for me and my husband. Like I mentioned, I ordered him a few clothes. So let's just do that. So this polo shirt right here is for my husband. So this one is about $12 each. And original price is $44.50, and this is from Belk by the brand of, this one is �ZLOS, and the other one, it is by Ocean and Coast. And this one, my husband, it fits him very well, the polo. So it's a white, and again $12 each. And by the way, they're both on clearance, so $12 each. This one is a little cheaper. This is $39.50, so $12 each for a polo for my husband. I'm pretty sure that fits him. And then this got for free because I got the $40. This is more like a winter jacket. It has a Sherpa, is it called Sherpa? Like here, more like that soft like blanket. Feels like, I'm pretty sure it's called Sherpa. So fall, and you know winter is coming, and this will be perfect. So that's that. I like this, and I actually like it better than online. And it feels like the outside, it feels like a cooler material, but the inside, it totally feels warmer, the inside, especially the hoodie side. I wanted to share a few things how you can get coupons, or you know, for Belk, how good Belk discount. So it's, I think they are more on the south, like, you know, in Alabama somewhere. So you just Google Belk, BELK. You can also shop at their website or their apps. I always use their apps just because it's so easy to shop, and it has almost every day they have coupons. Signed up for that email list, worth it. The email that I signed up on their website or their app, I've received about $30–40. They called it Belk Box. I can spend whatever, like it's like a gift card, and that's how I'm getting products from Belk. Not sponsor, is not a PR package. Check it out, do your research, signed up for that email list. To me, it's just worth it. Buy something for me, for my husband, or for the house. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, and please be sure to subscribe, like this video, comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.